Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about negocionline.com store. So what are the problems why you should not purchase any product on this store? Okay, so in this video I'm going to provide you 5 major red flags. So after watching this video you can identify you should buy this any product on this store or not. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, as you can see, this store is only like 8 months from now and the trust score is very bad, 1 out of 100. It means there are lots of issues like customer support issue, like product delivery issue, like return and refund issue, like cheap quality product issue, and there are lots of issues. Okay, so let's check there. You can say like proofs. So you can see this is the store and they are selling these kind of clothes, and if we talk about the clothes is easily available on different stores. You can see Poshmark, and there is one more store, Dolly Satin. The dress is like $104, but the actual you can say the pricing of this you can say like dress is on negoci.online.com store is only like $60, and on this website you can see $34. And these kind of dresses they are selling, all images are available on different resources of internet. Okay, so the basic thing I want to tell you, like you should not buy these kind of store, does not provide any kind of customer support. Let's take an example. If you have purchased any product and maybe the product quality is not good, in that case what you will do, how you can get your money back. So you need to be very careful. Okay, so if you have any issue you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And if you really want to, you can say know about this, if you have any experience with this website, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comments will helpful for lots of people. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you will get your all the you can say like answers. Okay, so thanks for watching this video and bye bye.